Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Blokette outfit and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get started guys. I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. And this look need one item from the VIP room, this one, but actually you can remove it with another accessory. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys. Wait, I'm going to take off my outfits. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this color, this dark brown color, and you can put on this bandage, and this is the item from the VIP. You can replace it with flower or another accessory. Okay, and the next one, we're going to choose this t-shirt, and I'm going to color it black for the first selection. And for the next selection, I'm just going to color it black. And for the third selection, I'm going to color it with this pink color. I'm going to show you the color code. Okay, this one. And I'm going to put on this top. And I'm going to change the toggle. Okay, this one. And then I'm going to change the color and also the toggle. Oops, sorry guys. I click on the wrong item. Okay, put on this top, and you're going to change the toggle to cheerleader. And for the first selection, I'm going to color it black, and for the next selection, I'm going to color it pink, the same pink color I applied before. Okay, and I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to select the item from the Valentine's update. I'm going to put on this skirt. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to this area and choose this mesh, and I'm going to color it. I'm going to make it thick, and I'm going to change the toggle. No, I just want to choose this one, this toggle, and choose this item. And wait guys, let me change the color of it. Okay, I'm going to change the color of this item. I'm going to make it black, and for the mesh, I'm going to make it white. Okay, and sorry guys, I'm going to take off this item. I don't need this item, and I'm going to go to this area and choose this shoe, and I'm going to color it all white. Okay, just make it all white like this, and then I'm going to go to this area and put on this necklace. And I'm going to color the second selection with the white color. And I'm going to put on this one as well. Okay. And I'm going to choose this back. And the last one, I'm going to go back to the dressing room. And I'm going to choose, I'm going to choose the leg warmer from the codes item, color it black, and I'm going to choose the currency items and select this Myra heels, but you can change it to classic sock, and I'm going to color it black. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.